Hello and welcome to our virtual time clock training series. In this video, we'll be covering how to assign activities to a group of employees. So let's go ahead and get started. With administration mode turned on, we're going to go to the configure menu, and then we're going to choose display groups. Now here we have the activities tab right here, and this is where we're going to be assigning these activities. But to give you a little context, I'm actually going to go back click Show All to take me back to the Configure menu and go to Activities. Now this is the main activity window where you can create new activities, adjust the settings and all that. And you'll see over here on the Assign Display Groups, that's where we're going to be working. So if I click Edit Group Activities, that's going to take me right back to where we started at Display Groups in the Activities tab. Now in this tab, we're going to see two boxes here. So there's time clock activities and manual entry activities. So the time clock activities, these are the activities that employees can choose from when they're punching in and out or changing activities. And then the manual entry activities, these are activities that are only available when creating manual punches. So typically these are for administrators and they wouldn't be available for employees. Now you can see over here under time clock activities, currently we're using the default in activity. And that's what we're going to change. So down here, I'm going to choose the Select Activities button. And you'll see now I have check boxes with these windows. So I can choose, this is where I can assign what activities I want to be available for these employees. So I'm going to uncheck the in, and I want these three activities to be available for employees. And then I also do want manual activities for managers or whoever is in this group to be able to add from this activity. And the other thing to know down here, so the default time clock activity, right now it's blank. And the options are you can make one of your new activities the default, or if I leave it at none, that's just going to require that an employee actually select an activity before punching in. Otherwise, if you set a default, if employee just clicks start, it'll use that default activity. So I'm going to leave it as a none. I'm going to save changes. All right, the only other setting here to pay attention to is down here, users can add new activities. If you check this box, this would allow employees to add a custom activity when they're punching in instead of choosing one of these three activities that we create here. So now that activities are assigned to display groups, you'll find more in our knowledge base about how employees would be using these activities. And if you have other additional questions about virtual time clock, please visit our website to give us a call or send an email to service@redcourt.com.